Bill Ray, everyone is watching this weather closely. It's a top story on our website right now, so...
I'll tell you what's going to happen. You want to know?
I want to know.
Tell you. Yeah, a lot of folks are going to see snow, and that's kind of exciting if you think about it, because the last thing I want to see is an ice storm. Now, we're also going to see that too, but a lot of areas just going to see snow, but not like we had last weekend when we had a mix of everything. So we got mild breezes today, highs in the mid to upper 50s. That's it after today for the next 10 days. Rain is likely on Thursday with a cold front. It could end as a little bit of light snow. Snow is likely on Friday afternoon and night, and freezing rain from Fayetteville, Goldsboro south. So that area will have an ice storm. Everybody else will get just mainly snow, which is much better than all that ice we had to try to drive in over the weekend. Here's how the forecast map looks tomorrow morning. Could see a band of showers moving through. The winds are out of the west-southwest, and then they're going to switch to the northeast when the cold front comes through. There's 6 o'clock. We will see a little bit of light snow tomorrow, mainly from the triangle northward. Not much accumulation there, maybe 1 inch. It goes away. Then we just kind of wait. It's just cold and cloudy. Here's Friday morning, not much going on. Every once in a while, there'll be a spritz or two of sleet and such, but then look what happens as we head into the evening hours. And the heaviest snow probably from Raleigh toward the northeast, not up in Roxboro, but you'll still see snow in Roxboro. But I'm going to forecast a heavy band right here. And then you see the Goldsboro, Fayetteville area south, the freezing rain, but you'll have some snow too in Fayetteville and Goldsboro. You're going to be right on that line. Snow, ice, just the storm moves 50 miles to the south. It becomes more snow for Fayetteville. It moves 50 miles to the north. It becomes more ice. So tomorrow, about 1 inch of snow, possibly with that little ending of rain into snow. Okay, so this is the snowfall potential tomorrow. We see maybe some wet flakes in the triangle, but it's not going to accumulate. And if it does accumulate at all, it'll be like right around the Virginia border. So that comes and that goes away in the middle of the evening. The rest of the evening is dry. Friday morning is dry. But Friday late in the afternoon and Friday night is when that low is going to come up the coast. And this area from the triangle and the purples to the northeast will have the heaviest potential for snowfall from 4 to 6 inches. And even with that brighter magenta, over 6 inches of snow possible. Now I'm ringing that around Durham and Lillington with 2 to 4 inches of snow and the blue and the 1 to 3. So we got a varying amounts just depending on the movement of the storm. But you get the idea. We all should see some snow, and even where there's going to be some ice, you'll have some snow mixed in with that in Fayetteville and Goldsboro. But speaking of which, it's really the story about the ice to our friends to the south and along the coast. Even though there might be a little spritz of sleet and freezing rain in the triangle, the collection area is going to be right there. You see that sharp dividing line from Fayetteville, Goldsboro, southward with maybe up to a ½ inch of ice, and that'll go all the way to the coast. They're going to have a miserable time with that. So we've got snow and we've got freezing rain, and we have sunshine today, just to give you a... Let's take a deep breath. The winds are out of the southwest at 14, and that's bringing in the mild air. We have mostly sunny skies now. We'll pick up a few afternoon clouds, so the rays of sunshine will be a...
7.
7 this afternoon. Your temperatures in the 50s with those breezes, and then we'll cloud up tonight as we go through the nighttime hours. We'll bring up the clouds, but it will stay dry. So let's put the fronts on the map, and you can see the rain around at 7 in the morning, rain around at lunchtime. The front comes through. We got that little snow north of the triangle, from the triangle northward for an hour or two, and then we're dry pretty much the rest of the night. Dry Friday morning. Here comes that low. Starting at noontime, there could be a few spritzes in the sand hills, and then as soon as it runs into that cold air, you see the snow forms. So the freezing rain line is definitely Fayetteville, Goldsboro southward, and then we get all that snow really coming down Friday night. And then by Saturday morning around sunrise, a few lingering flurries and dry air moves in as that storm departs. Got it? There it is. You know what you're going to get now. 57 right now, 48 tomorrow with the rain ending as a little bit of wet snow to the north. And then the alert day is Friday because it's a snow day, really late Friday afternoon and most likely Friday night with the ice storm to the south. Nothing more than a few flurries on Saturday. You can go out and play in the snow Saturday afternoon and Sunday. It's not going to go anywhere with a low of 18 Sunday morning. And then we just stay cold and relatively dry the rest of the 10-day, guys.